Hey, I'm Kristen Sheely from the Youth Success Academy at GNTC. We're a program for 16 to 24-year-olds who want to get their GED. Unlike high school, we're a fast track to GED, and the Youth Success Academy will provide classroom instruction and one-on-one instruction to help you pass your GED.
Okay guys, so the big question, why do you want to come to the YSA? With the YSA, we can offer certain services that the adult education program may not be able to. We can pay for your test, we can pay for your pre-test, post-test. We can also offer our two big stipends or our two main services, which are childcare and transportation services. If you have a child, we can provide you with money to help with daycare or babysitting. We also offer transportation stipends that will make sure you get gas money every week to get back and forth to the YSA.
Hey guys, I'm Miss Danielle. I'm the instructor at the Walker County campus. If you have classroom anxiety, YSA may be a good fit for you. Our classroom size is typically smaller. We're able to work one-on-one with students, we're able to work in small groups, and we're even able to individualize our plans for our students. So if you've had classroom anxiety in the past, we may be a good fit for you.